Hello everyone, welcome to Code Everyday. Today we are going to discuss the concept of stack. Stack is a linear data structure. It is no different from the real world stack, like the stack of books, stack of plates. Like in canteen, we have seen the stacks of plates. If we put the plates at the top of one another, it becomes a stack. Similarly, if we put the books at the top of one another, it becomes the stack of books. We can add or remove the book from the top only. We cannot remove the book from the middle because it violates the property of a stack. In a stack, an item can be removed and inserted at the same end. We can add the book at the top and we can remove the book from the top, not from the middle or from the last. Similarly, in computer science, we have a stack of elements in which we can insert an item at the one end and delete item from the same end, and that end is called top of the stack. For example, this is our stack. This is open from one side. We can insert element from this side, insertion from this side, and deletion also from this side. So stack has two basic operations. One is push item, and another one is pop item. Push means to insert an element at the top of the stack, and pop means to remove an element from the top of a stack. For example, let we have the empty stack. This is our stack. We want to perform push and pop operations. Push and pop at this stack. Suppose we want to push an item 3. So 3 will insert into the stack. Now the top is 3. This is the top of a stack. If we insert 4, that is push 4. Now the top becomes 4. Because whatever element is inserting, the top becomes that element, or the element is inserted at the top, so the top becomes that element. If we push 5 comes at the top of 4 and the top becomes 5. This is push operation. Similarly, if we pop, we can pop the top element. Now what is at the top? The top is 5. If we perform pop, we can remove 5. Now 5 is removed and top becomes 4. This is our top. Now if we perform pop once again, then 4 removed and the top becomes 3. Again if we perform pop, then 3 will become removed and top becomes -1. That is, stack is empty. Stack is empty right now. In the next video, we will see the implementation of a stack in Java. Thank you very much and be subscribed.